Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Today we're going to show you how to reset the service light on this 2017 Mercedes E-Class. And to start with, all you need to do is just press the start button once, bring you to the first screen, and then press and hold the home button there for 5 seconds, and then the select button there. And you get a new menu. Now once you're up with that menu, you can use the pad there to scroll down, scroll to Assist Plus, and once on there, press the start button once more to bring you to stage 2 of the ignition. Now I can get rid of that warning and scroll down again with the pad there to full service. Select enter on full service, and you want to select down to confirm service. So you select your right oil grade, that's done, and scroll again to service carried out. And you can just confirm that that's full service completed. Now that we've done that, just let that clear. Should be able to turn the should be able to turn the ignition off, start it up this time, and it's coming up saying it was due service A. That's all been reset now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.